この大学では、タイ語とか東アジアのいろいろな言葉が勉強できます。とか、とか。
Among other things, such as, is used in Japanese to list examples without being exhaustive. It is similar to the English expression such as or things like.
最初に会った時からそれを感じていました。時。
When, at the time, is used to indicate the timing of an action.
彼は来月結婚するということをまだ誰にも知らせていない。ということ。
Changes a sentence or phrase into a noun. Is used to express the fact that or the thing that. It is often used to clarify or explain a statement.
二人は来年結婚するらしいです。らしい。
Seems like. The Japanese word rashi is a suffix that is often used to express an inference, likelihood, or appearance based on external evidence or information.
小林先生はもうお帰りになりました。お、になる。
To do, honorific.
子犬のような目で私を見ないでください。のように。のような。
Like, similar to. This expression is used before a noun to indicate that something is similar to or resembles the noun.
少々お待ちください。お、ください。
Please do. Honorific.
スポーツの中で何が一番上手ですか？の中で。
In. Among. To compare. You are indicating a comparison among different things or choices.
あの薬は飲みにくいです。にくい。
Difficult to. Hard to. This suffix is used to indicate that something is difficult or hard.
今日は会社へ来なくてもいいです。なくてもいい。
Don't have to. This phrase means it's okay not to, or you don't have to.
あいつは確かに俺を怒らせようと思っているんだ。ようと思う。
I think I will is a phrase used to express one's intention or decision. It translates to I plan to or I intend to and indicates a conscious decision or resolution about a future action.